Welcome to CrossPLANE Nation. Today I'm going to install this fuse block here on a 2020 Polaris RZR 1000. And the reason why I want to do this is because I want a standalone electrical system for all of my accessories. You can see right here on the fuse block that each section that I'm going to hook up to it will have a dedicated fuse to it. That way I'm not tapping into the OEM wiring on the side-by-side here. The first thing we need to do is remove the driver's seat here. To do that, there's going to be a lever right back here, and then the seat itself will pull up. As you can see right here, this is where the battery is located. We're going to run our hot and our ground up through the center console here. You will remove the passenger seat just like we did the driver's seat. There's going to be, again, a lever back here. To remove the center console here, there'll be some plastic clips here that you'll need to remove at the back. If you look on the passenger side, there's going to be one more right here that you'll need to remove. Up at the front is a bolt you'll need to remove. You'll need some kind of star bit, T-bit for that. To remove the plastic clips, I'm just using a flathead here. And so these are just your classic plastic push pins that go in and retain the center console. They look like this. I don't need to remove the center console completely because I'm going to run my wires right here, right along where the battery wires are at, and those will go right up underneath the hood. I'm going to take this top cover off right up here by the hood section. To do that, you need to remove a couple more of these T-bolts here. So you see 4 of them right there. And then we're also going to remove these 2 clips as well. Ready to remove this guy here in the middle. It just pops right out. Go ahead and remove the top cover here. Actually going to mount the fuse block right here. And we're going to mount it horizontally so I can still get some kind of screwdriver underneath there on those bottom screws there whenever I decide to add additional accessories. The wire that I'm using is a 6-gauge wire for the hot and the ground. I'm going to use a 4 to 8 gauge inline fuse here for the hot, and then I have some plastic loom tubing that I'm going to wrap these wires with. Again, we're just going to run them along the factory wiring here and go right up to the fuse block. I have the inline fuse ready to go. We're going to go ahead and start wrapping our wires here with the plastic covering. I have all the wires nice and neatly zip tied up and tucked where they need to go. This took me a long time to do, probably a good 45 minutes to an hour. Have everything ran up here. Everything is good to go. We're going to put the cover on the fuse block, put everything back together up top here, put the center console down. We'll be good to go. All right, I have everything buttoned down. All the wires are nicely ran under the center console. Have the cover in place for the fuse block. We're good to go. Thanks for watching.